Hello, what's up?
Hi,
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm alright. Thank you so much for coming up here. I'm really so happy for you that you accepted my request.
Oh yeah, of course.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
California. Yeah, I was watching your broadcasting that you were just rearranging your bed, clothes, everything as well.
Oh yeah.
Do you like that? Mm-hmm. So, do you cook yourself at your house?
Sometimes yeah. Sometimes I do.
So you are a good cook, right?
Yeah, somewhat. I guess. Yeah.
Okay. Well, so you know what? If I am invited by you to come up at your house, so what kind of food you will cook?
It depends what you like. What do you like? Like
On
I'll ask you you know.
there are no more soys. There are no more soys. Everything will be favorite, whatever you will cook, but without pork.
Mm, maybe some chicken Alfredo pasta.
Fair enough. Okay, and I think that would be really good fun to have a good meal at your house. Though I'm living in Bangladesh, it's too far away.
Mm-hmm.
Well, so who go to grocery shop to buy family needs?
Like right here.
Yeah.
Sometimes me or my sister or my mom.
Oh, do you live with your family?
Yeah.
Oh, that's. Oh, be careful. Sorry.
No, you're good.
You okay?
Yeah,
Okay, that's
I'm
good.
okay.
Well, so do you go to shop to buy some necessary needs of your family by walking or by car?
No car.
Car. So how far the shopping mall from your house?
Um, it's not that far. It's like 5 minutes away. It's like 2 blocks away. Three.
Not too far, indeed.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Mm-hmm. How old are you?
No, 19.
Oh, no, you are really so young, 19-year old. Too young. What do you do for yourself?
What do I do? I go to school. I'm studying biology right now, and then I want to go into the ultrasound thing.
Mm-hmm. Pretty good. So, did you not start working yet?
Yeah. Right now, I'm currently working for a hospital, like
Mm-hmm.
as a training, I guess.
Yeah. You know what? I have had conversation with so many American, but most of them started working from their early age, right? So, even they didn't finish off their graduation. Instead, they used a short course for work. So, what about you? Do you wanna finish your graduation?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. That's cool. How many siblings are there in your family?
We are. I have 4 siblings. I have five. We're five in total, but I don't live with all of them.
You don't live with all of them. That's cool. What's your favorite hobby?
Mine?
Yep.
Well, ever since I was little, I love playing softball. You know what softball is?
What is that?
It's like baseball, but for girls.
Ah, okay. That's cool. That's cool. Basically, I like to have gossiping with favorite person, really, and it's really good fun to hang out.
Mm, pray about it.
Do you love that?
I'm gonna be so honest with you. I'm not a really friend girl. I mostly go out with my family.
That's cool. I appreciate that. I appreciate that because you are very fond of family. That's cool. It's very rare to find somebody just like you.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I'm not really big with my friends. Like, I do have friends, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't really, I'm not the type of person to like go out with them most of the time, to go out and do like like stuff like that. No, I'm mostly outgoing with my family because I do have a big family. I have a huge family, so
Mm-hmm.
and we're so close. So I wouldn't want that to stop.
No, so I got a point that in my opinion about yourself, you're very strict with your goals. You know what I mean? So you want to
Mhm.
achieve your goals anyway. So that's why you are being abstain, having hanging out with your friends most of the time. So instead you stay with your family, work and study.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Exactly.
that's good though for your future.
Yeah.
Mhm. Anyway, it's been a while, so and I'm being really so honored by your kindness, and see you around, and best of the luck.
Thank you so much. Once again, thank you. I appreciate it. And whenever you want to do another PK, just let me know. And I'll be gladly to do another PK with you. Okay?
Hundred
It
percent.
was really nice talking to you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye.
Have a good night. Bye.